Hey, hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Um, Yesterday, with me and my husband, went out to Texas Roadhouse, and you probably saw that this is. I didn't eat all my steak because I ate two row. I knew I was gonna get full, but this is something you guys ever have like a steak and you don't eat it all. You can always just heat it up, wrap it up in foil, and put it in the air fryer if you guys have an air fryer. And what I did, I cooked me two over easy egg. If you can see, let me show you guys. Yeah, I think this right here is an 8 ounce. Yeah, that's an 8 ounce. Yeah, but I just want to come back to show you guys what I'm eating for breakfast. See, that's two egg. I think it kind of got a little hot, but the yolk should, see how the yolk running out? That's what you call over easy. See? And this is my breakfast, you guys. I could have ate this for dinner because I did have some leftover screen beans, but I probably, you know what? Again, because it's still the big steak, so I might have some. I might just eat half of it like that because this is a big steak. But I just want to come back to show you guys what I got, eating on my cooking channel. And also for breakfast. And also I did have one toast left. See that right there? What they had with my dinner. Just kind of heated up, in a microwave. See? Ah, really? Hold on for a second, you guys. Oh, paper towel give me a little trouble there. Yeah, but this is it. All right, I just want to come back to show you guys what I'm eating for breakfast this morning. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Just show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. And again, share with your friends as well. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. Yes, this is a short video. And steak for her, and I will give you guys the first bite. I don't mind. Go. Very good. You want some of that egg? Gooey. All right. Here you gotta go. You gotta get that first bite. All right. I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye.